I'm going to do is do a new video on how I make my almond milk, and that's because the last one I did, the visual wasn't that clear, so I just want to make it clear to do for you guys. Alright, so what I did here was soak these overnight. Right, I soaked my almonds overnight, so what I'm going to do next is drain the water. Right, and after you drain the water, then you can rinse. So now I'm ready to make the milk. Okay, so now I have my blender ready. I'm gonna start putting in the almonds in. So it depends on how much you have. You put in a little at a time. So I have those almonds in. After that, I'm going to pour some water. Make sure your water is filtered and not from the tap or whatever water you choose. So you pour the water in, and as you can see, the water is just above the nuts. So what you do is just pour enough above the nuts, or if you're not sure, pour a little at a time, and as you blend it or as it mixes, then you pour on more. But I would recommend that you pour the water just enough above the nuts. So I'm going to cover that. Okay, so this is the milk. I'm going to pour it into this bottle. And this is what the milk looks like. I'm going to continue to squeeze the rest of the nuts out. Okay, so as you can see, this is what comes from the nuts. So what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to put them in the oven to dry out, because I'm going to use this to make bread. So it's zero waste, and on top of that, it's healthy. So put this in the oven, let it dry out a bit, and then I'll go from there and show you what I do. I have these 2 cups here, and I'm going to make 2 cups of tea with the 2 different milk. The milk that I make, this is one I made earlier. I'm going to use that milk, and I'm going to use this store-bought milk. All right, so you can see this cup is gonna get that milk, and this smaller cup is gonna get my milk. Okay, so I have my cups in front of me. I have the 2 milk, I have the store-bought milk, and I have the milk I made. So I'm just gonna pour some hot water into the cups. And as you know, we stir. Alright, so now I've finished stirring. I'm just going to remove the tea bag. What I'm going to do, I have these shot glasses here, and I'm going to pour the same amount of milk in each of them. Yeah, that looked like the same amount. All right, so this is gonna have this milk, and this one is gonna have that milk again, and these are the milks here, right? So now I'm gonna pour the milk in. Right, and right away you can literally see the difference. You can see more milk in this than that one. Right, you can see this one, the store-bought, I would have to pour extra milk for this to look like that. So guys, if you can make your own milk, go right ahead and do that. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Let me add my honey.